What's up everyone, subscribe my channel. Tonight we're standing in front of a machine that doesn't whisper nostalgia. It roars it. This is a 1973 Plymouth Barracuda HEMI Tribute, and everything about this car feels intentional, aggressive, and unapologetically Mopar. This isn't about matching numbers or museum ropes. This is about presence. This is about power you can actually use. This is about taking one of the most intimidating silhouettes ever stamped in Detroit steel and giving it a modern heartbeat that hits hard every single time you turn the key. Walk around this Barracuda slowly and let it sink in. The long hood stretches forward like it's hunting something. The roofline flows low and fast, and the rear quarters flex outward with that unmistakable E-body muscle that made people stop in their tracks back in the day. The color combination is exactly what it should be. Rich, deep, and mean, highlighting every curve, crease, and muscle line like it was sculpted by fire and attitude. This is the kind of paint that doesn't just reflect light, it absorbs attention. Every step you take around it reveals another angle that feels expensive, deliberate, and powerful. Now let's talk about what really matters, because under that hood lives the soul of this build. A 5.7-liter HEMI V8 with aluminum heads sits front and center, and this is where old school muscle meets modern engineering. This isn't some fragile, temperamental relic that only wants to run on perfect days. This HEMI is responsive, reliable, and brutally effective. Turn the key and it comes to life instantly with a deep, confident rumble that lets you know this car is ready at any moment. The throttle response is sharp, clean, and aggressive, delivering modern power in a way classic muscle cars could only dream of back in the early 70s. This is the kind of engine that pulls hard from low RPM and keeps pulling with authority. It doesn't feel strained, it doesn't feel dramatic, it feels confident. Every press of the pedal delivers smooth, relentless acceleration that reminds you why the HEMI name still commands respect decades later. Aluminum heads keep things lighter and cooler, improving performance and balance while adding to the overall refinement of the build. This is fast Mopar energy done right. Power flows through an automatic transmission that's perfectly matched to the character of this car. Smooth when you want it to be, aggressive when you ask for it. This Barracuda doesn't fight you, it works with you. Cruising feels effortless, almost relaxed, but the moment you decide it's time to move, it responds instantly. This setup makes the car enjoyable whether you're carving through open roads, rolling into a car show, or just listening to the exhaust echo off buildings at night. And speaking of control, let's talk about stopping power, because speed is nothing without confidence behind the wheel. Up front, Wilwood power disc brakes bring modern braking performance to this classic beast. These aren't just upgrades, they're necessities for a car with this level of power. The pedal feels firm and reassuring, delivering precise, predictable stopping force every time. Whether you're slowing down from highway speeds or bringing things under control after a hard pull, these brakes do their job without hesitation. It's the kind of upgrade that transforms how the car feels, making it safer, sharper, and far more capable in real-world driving. What really sets this Barracuda apart is how complete it feels. This isn't just an engine swap with a nice paint job. This is a cohesive build where every component works together to elevate the experience. The stance is aggressive but purposeful, sitting just right over the wheels. The suspension feels tight and controlled, giving the car a planted, confident feel without sacrificing that raw muscle car personality. You feel connected to the road, but not punished by it. It's the perfect balance between classic attitude and modern refinement. Inside, the cabin continues the story. You're surrounded by a cockpit that respects the original Barracuda design while offering the kind of comfort and quality you expect from a high-end build. The seats hold you in place without feeling restrictive. The dash, gauges, and controls all feel intentional, functional, and clean. This isn't about flashy distractions, it's about creating an environment where you feel focused, confident, and completely immersed in the driving experience. When you sit in this car, you don't just feel like an owner, you feel like part of the machine. There's something special about tribute cars when they're done at this level. This Barracuda isn't pretending to be something it's not. It's honoring the legend while improving on it. Original HEMI Cudas are untouchable icons, locked away in collections, driven sparingly, and valued more for their rarity than their road presence. This car flips that script completely. It gives you the look, the sound, the attitude and the performance without the fear. You can drive it, you can enjoy it, you can push it, and that freedom is priceless. On the road, this Barracuda feels alive. The exhaust note follows you like a thunderstorm, deep and commanding without being obnoxious. People hear it before they see it, and when they do, everything stops. Heads turn, phones come out, conversations pause. This car doesn't need to shout for attention, it naturally commands it. There's an unmistakable presence that follows it everywhere, a mix of nostalgia and modern aggression that very few cars can pull off. This is fast Mopar muscle in its purest modern form. Here, it's not about lap times or tech gimmicks, it's about emotion. It's about that feeling in your chest when you roll into the throttle and feel the car surge forward. It's about the way the steering wheel vibrates just enough to remind you there's real power under your control. It's about the smell of fuel, the heat of the engine, and the raw satisfaction of driving something that feels genuinely special. The 1973 Plymouth Barracuda HEMI Tribute represents everything enthusiasts love about restomads. Done right, it respects the past while embracing the present. It looks expensive, sounds expensive, and feels expensive in every sense of the word. This is not a compromise car. This is not a conversation piece only meant to be admired. This is a driver's muscle car built to be experienced, enjoyed, and remembered. Every detail of this build tells you it was created by someone who understands Mopar culture, someone who knows that muscle cars aren't just transportation, they're statements. They're rolling expressions of rebellion, confidence, and individuality. This Barracuda doesn't try to fit in, and it never will. It stands apart just like the legends that inspired it. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Hemi-powered Barracuda, but wanted something you could actually drive without fear, this is the answer. Modern power, classic style, and an attitude that refuses to be ignored. This is the kind of car that makes you take the long way home every single time, just to hear it run and feel it pull one more time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the meanest Mopars on the road, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. And once again, what's up everyone? Subscribe my channel.